Yogesh. Hi, all the viewers, in fact. And this is after I think 1 year I'm going live, and we have amazing gentleman here with us. Hi, Yogesh. He's an art bait
Hi.
consultant. And as
Excellent.
we are celebrating Men's Mental Health Week, this entire week, um, what it better than hearing from their perspective, and we're going to have a heart to heart conversation with Yogesh today. So if you
Right.
have any queries, drop in a comment, and if you have any questions, we are here for you to we are here to answer. Can we start?
Yes, we are good to go.
Good to go. Excellent.
Right.
So Yogesh, I've been doing this for entire week, and most important questions I ask,
Mhm.
मैं थोड़ा हिंदी भी लूंगी कि सच
Okay.
में बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है क्या कि जैसे वुमेन्स ना रो लेती है
Mhm.
या किसी के कंधे पे रो लेगी, गुस्सा हो जाएगी, किचकिच
Mm.
करेगी, गॉसिप करेगी, कुछ ना
Right.
कुछ करके अपने इमोशंस निकाल देंगी. बट
Mhm.
व्हाट अबाउट मैन? इज इट बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है क्या?
राइट, ये कुछ हद तक मैं कहूंगा कि बॉलीवुड का भी इसमें बुरा हाथ है कि जो डायलॉग फेमस हुआ था, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, और जब दर्द नहीं होगा तो मर्द रोएगा क्यों? तो दैट्स द होल थिंग. देखिए, हम जब पैदा होते हैं तब इस दुनिया में आते ही हम रोना शुरू करते हैं. रोना इज द फर्स्ट इमोशन or first emotional action which we ever start with. So I think it's a sharmana kya hai? This is a very natural emotion where you can cry. Yes, this whole conditioning and जो मर्द का एक larger than life image बना दिया गया है कि हाँ, एक मर्द को ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, इमोशंस नहीं दिखा सकता पब्लिकली, तो वो थोड़ा ओवरडन है. तो आई थिंक मर्द को दर्द होता भी है और दर्द एक्सप्रेस करना भी चाहिए, और वो करेगा तो सच में मर्द कहलाएगा, नहीं तो नहीं कहलाएगा.
Okay, so I think I totally agree with you. Then
जी.
I famous comedian Zahir Khan's dialogue I was
जाकिर
like
खान, यस यस.
कि on Insta there was, he was saying very nicely कि कौन कहते हैं हम रोते नहीं, अरे
जी,
पूछने वाला चाहिए. So
बराबर.
hands up to him. So there's
जी.
nothing that you don't, but uh, बिल्कुल रोते हो आप या जो इमोशंस किसी भी तरीके से जाहिर करने का होगा. मोस्टली आई हैव सीन एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, आई हैव सीन पेशेंट्स मोर ऑन द एंगर इश्यूज. तो
Right.
ये क्यों होता है? आई मीन
So
ऐसा क्यों है?
primarily, see, again, it comes back to sadness. Now, anger as a core emotion, anger is I could say surface emotion or a manifested emotion. एंगर
हम्म.
का कोर में सैडनेस हो सकता है, एंगर का कोर में फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो सकता है, एंगर कोर में रिजेक्शन हो
हम्म.
सकता है. नाउ,
हम्म.
just because you can't express those other emotions like sadness, remorse, disgust, frustration, so uska
हम्म.
immediate defense mechanism में anger comes on surface. So
Okay.
anger is like the watchman. जैसे ही कोई वो रेड गेट से कोई अनयूजुअल इमोशन आते दिखा तो एक अलार्म बजेगा, टें टें टें, and that's how the anger comes on surface, and people start expressing anger more than the real emotion. Now, anytime gets angry, you need to ask, are they angry, or is it a surface anger which is covered by, say, sadness, fear, disgust, or say even loss of something. So
So you're saying this is coping mechanism?
kind of a defense and coping mechanism जो anger निकल कर आता है, unless major 90% of the time it's a defense mechanism of your
Okay.
body where you can't really act, and you are left helpless. Now some people react to helplessness by anger. So yeah, that's
Okay. And हमने कहीं पे ये भी देखा है ना, अब जैसे मेट्रो सिटीज में वी आर स्टिल ब्लेस्ड कि
so,
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हैज बीन शेयर्ड एंड
right.
अगर लोन भी है तो इट्स बिन इक्वली, एंड स्पेशली विद वर्क फ्रॉम होम सिनेरियो पिछले 1.5 साल से नाउ देर आर नो स्पेसिफिक रोल, स्पेसिफिक हम शफल हुआ देखा है कि हमने देखा है मर्दों ने भी उतने ही प्यार से खाना बनाया है जितनी पहले औरतें बनाती थी, एंड they actually turn out to be a greatest cook, you know that. And that was great, but still uh, जहाँ पे इतनी ब्रॉड थिंकिंग नहीं है, वहां पे अभी भी दैट मस्कुलिन जॉब एंड फीमेल फेमिनियन जॉब एक segregated किया गया है that you are a woman, you're not supposed to help me financially, you're supposed to take care of this. आप बच्चे पैदा करो, आप बच्चों का ख्याल रखो और घर चलाओ, बस इतना ही आपका ये काम होता है। तो उनके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हो?
I can only say that things are changing and ऐसा नहीं है कि एक पढ़े लिखे तबके में ही ये observation है कि there are gender role defined for men and women. Even when I see in well-educated families and progressive families, जब छुट्टी लेने की बात आती है, so a woman is taken for granted, you know, especially when the child bearing period comes, when the woman is pregnant. It is assumed that the woman will take leave and it is assumed that the woman will take care of the child. On the other hand, the men is supposed for men to even for a job advancement, the question is never asked whether when are you getting married or when are you going to have kids. But for a woman, this is the number one question because the biggest attrition for women again is at the age of pregnancy and post pregnancy they come to join. So this is observant very well. I think this is do with mindset. Okay. How they have seen the woman around them being respected in the family. If predominantly they have seen women having a particular role defined by the gender and they are conditioned to that, then they will stick to it. No matter how progressive the family is, you might be a billionaire and you might be living in the best apartment and the best society, you might still be regressive in your thought. On the other hand, a farmer who has seen her mother contributing equally to his father and contributing equally to pay the agricultural loan, he will respect his wife. So it is to be started. I think the seeds of this nurturing of how to see a woman or what perception that shapes in your mind has to do a lot with your family upbringing and this environment around you. If you have seen women being respected around you, you will end up being respecting them, and you will end up treating them equally. And if you have not seen them being respected or being objectified in their own family, so that is being translated outside. If your father is not respecting your mother, then obviously that will come out when you grow beyond you become a father.
So it's like what you see, you adapt the similar aspect and then you try to be. So how to change this? How to change that pattern?
Right. So I think initially when in the early societies, maybe our parents' days, I would say in the early 60s, 70s, India had just become independent country and there were a whole lot of restrictions on gender. There were a whole lot of restrictions on progressiveness as well because people considered that having more members in a family, staying together was more safe rather than staying in a nuclear family. There were very less job opportunities, health awareness and health conditions were not so great. People used to die of typhoid and dysentery, in those days. So in those days, the number one fear was normal life. People craved for normal life. Now, when our life is normal and we are progressing, and now we can expand our intellectual capacity and growth. So at this point, we can't hold on to their thoughts and their insecurities. So while growing up, all young kids in the 70s or 80s or 90s have grown up on their parents' insecurity. And that is translated in their future generation and in the current generation. Now, it's time to leave that baggage of their insecurities and let that go because that was in that period. You are in 2021. Now, you can't just think like in those days, and you have to understand certain basic things that, yes, you have to adapt, you have to grow, and you have to expand your horizon of thinking and also action. सिर्फ सोच के नहीं होगा, फिर Facebook पे कोट शेयर करके, story शेयर करके, cool नहीं बन जाओगे आप. You have to actually treat women equally, and that can only happen when both women and men are represented equally. I've seen many corporates who do on paper tick mark exercises in the name of gender inclusion, sensitization,
discrimination. I would say gender discrimination.
But when it comes to paying the woman, they will hire a man CEO. They will not hire a female CEO. They will think twice, 10 times before hiring a female CEO. And that's why they will be okay with CHRO being a female, but they will not be okay with CEO being a female. And that norm has to change. That thought process has to change. You can't just put women on a pedestal and say, okay, bhai, aap devi ho, and then at the same time not give them equal opportunity. So that balance has to come. And that is more harming the men more than the women. Because if you don't allow them to take the space which is empty, you will have an extra pressure of filling that responsibility. And
Hmm.
if you can share the responsibility, why you do want to do it all by yourself? That's
True.
the whole thing.
So, as you say, let's me summarize this. As you say कि it's better कि अगर हम share करें और हाँ, of course, women's का role in a CEO and a corporate, what you say is absolutely bang on. When you added कि हाँ corporate pay list में है, but मुझे ये कहना है, because men also go to a lot of depression and we done quite a few survey and we ask कि भाई क्या आप अपनी mental health problem आपके फ्रेंड्स से शेयर करते हो या नहीं एंड जैसे नॉर्मली हम नहीं बात करते ऐसे ओके बिकॉज बीइंग जज्ड fair enough. So then we said, we know you guys normally the men's catch up on smoking or on a drinks. So is that happened after 2 or 3 packs? And 80% said no. We do not discuss this. So why? How is that? Yeah, I mean, why can't you open up your heart to your friend? Can't your friend also? Why is that?
Right. So I'll tell you a real life instance when someone actually shared something to someone that they are feeling low, and so someone replied very audaciously and rudely saying, "क्या लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है? ये 2
Hmm.
पैक मार ठीक हो जाएगा." That kind of
Ah.
suggestion comes as a friend because we have been conditioned to take advices from people who are alike us or similar to us, who think in the same bandwidth and who are again conditioned with the same limitation. जब वी आर इन द सेम पूल, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम कीचड़ में हैं तो कीचड़ से बाहर निकलने के लिए हमको रस्सी बाहर से होगी तब बाहर जा पाएंगे।
दिखने पड़ेगी।
कीचड़ में कीचड़ के अंदर की रस्सी मुझे बचा नहीं पाए। सो ऑल ऑफ अस इन द सेम डिच, ऑल ऑफ अस इन द सेम पूल ऑफ डर्ट, और वहां से हम किस तरह से निकलेंगे जब हम कुछ बाहर से कोई मदद ले पाएंगे तभी। एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल when it comes to mental health, you get biased opinion. अरे दो दिन चुपचाप सो जा ठीक हो जाएगा, अरे टू एन एक्सटेंट ऑफ सजेशंस लाइक फोन देख ले ठीक हो जाएगा, टू एन एक्सटेंट ये कर ले ठीक हो जाएगा, वो कर ले ठीक हो जाएगा। Yeah, so that's
कहीं पे हाँ तो कहीं पे okay, this is just a phase and it will go away automatically and you don't need to do anything.
They don't take it seriously considering that it has never been looked upon surface. So had it been same कि मेरे muscles 2 इंच कम हो गए या मेरे biceps 16 से 14 आ गए, तो they will observe, अरे भाई 4 अंडे खाया कर रोज, नो मेहनत किया कर, बट वही they would not tell in terms of कि भाई एक काम कर ना, तू ना 5-10 दिन में 15 मिनट मेडिटेशन किया कर, किसी काउंसलर को दिखा, मैं तो एडवाइस नहीं दे पाऊंगा, तो मैं तो जड़ बुद्धि हूँ। People don't have that self awareness and rather than and they would call it psycho हो गया, ये तो पगला हो गया या पगलेट हो गया, whatever.
पगला गया है। So I think taboo है society में काफी है।
This whole taboo around it and this whole thing of men. So we run this program called Men Circle in which we actually help men become men by accepting emotions which they feel. And the end of the program, we pat each other by saying that now you are a man. Like I'm happy being a man. Because I can feel emotions. That's the whole element of where you accept both masculinity and femininity, the both energy circles, and that should come, and that should you should understand that men कम human नहीं होते या women ज़्यादा human नहीं होती. You are human and you have all the emotions to be felt. So I'm just saying that ये जो सर्कल बन जाता है आपका ट्रस्टेड सर्कल, वो आपका ट्रस्टेड सर्कल नहीं होता, बट ट्रस्टेड सर्कल होता है। मतलब जो आप मानते हो कि ये आपका ट्रस्टेड सर्कल है, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो सेम रिसाइकल थॉट्स आपके ऊपर लाद के देगा। ठीक है, क्या तो try to break this jinx, and if you are seriously going through something, it's better to talk to a counselor, it's better to talk to someone who's professional, who can guide you. Don't go to someone who's your friend. They're good to talk after talking to them. But don't go as them for advice, because their advice is going to be as bad as your advice. So just accept that and move on.
Okay. Next question हमने काफी बार देखा है, as the partner communicate, we've seen that as a husband and wife also, they are not able to open very like सामने वाला शायद सुनने के लिए तैयार हो, but you know what, तुम समझ नहीं पाओगी. Yeah, maybe as a man, I'm not really comfortable talking to my office issues because I think you're not able to understand, or I'm not able to just trust you or connect, either the way, or I don't want to burden you. तो रीजंस कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट कभी-कभार ये जो वरी है, जो स्ट्रेस है, जो
हम्म,
एंग्जायटी है, वो शेयर नहीं
हम्म,
हो रही है। तो अगर
राइट,
आप अपने पार्टनर के साथ भी नहीं शेयर कर पा रहे हो, तो कहीं न कहीं आप उसको दबा रहे हो। सो
राइट,
हाउ वी कैन बिकम अ मोर कम्युनिकेटिव?
yeah. So if you can't speak, you can always write. If you can't write, you can always scribble. So I suggest this as a very simple tip I give to my friends who are having issues when they are in relationship and they cannot communicate. Keep a Dropbox or a cute designed inbox. उसमें आप जब भी कुछ बोलना हो, 2-3 लाइन में लिख के रख दो. Decide a day in a week. Decide a day in 14 days, 15 days. Open it up and read it out. By the time that issue which you thought was very big on that day will become very trivial after 7-8 days. So
Okay.
you might laugh at it rather than really getting worried about it. You can laugh at it.
So
Regular day पे आप you can journal it. You can write it down. You can journal
journalize.
it and journal करना है. Second thing is voice notes. These days voice notes are the most effective thing. Keep voice notes ready daily wise, and then you can just make your partner listen to them or just share it with them. If you cannot say it, there are 10 different ways of communicating. Use great tools, or you can just watch a movie together, which is talking about your current issue. There's a whole entire gamut of therapy called cinema therapy, where certain movies are going on, and you guys can actually watch this movie and heal your story. So the idea is to know your story, feel your story, and then change your story. Because you can only change your story.
Wonderful, yeah, right. Correctly said. So communication is a key. And then
That your
uh,
first audience is your own partner.
uh, yeah,
Bad.
yeah. So I'm gonna start. We have quite a few audience, okay, and I'm requesting
So,
आपको पास जो भी questions है बेझिझक पूछिए. I'm a
sure.
psychologist by profession. You can ask Yogesh, you can ask me, anyone.
Right.
Please open up and ये जो भी questions है, please shoot it
Sure.
out. Okay, and
Right.
these are the very common questions. We're gonna do a quick roundup
Right.
and
Right.
on the spot questions, Yogesh, with you. और तुम
Sure.
मुझे ना
Sure.
बिल्कुल विदाउट सोचे उसके आंसर्स देने वाले हो, ठीक है?
Okay. Fine. Fine. I'll do that.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a situation. So
Okay.
imagine your the wife or a girlfriend comes in the room and the first question she asks, मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ?
And how I am supposed to. तुम so आपको नहीं पता क्या है? I mean, that's the whole thing. You just don't have to say. You have to just look, feel awestruck.
That was a good one, Yogesh.
Yeah.
This is
And so that there are two reasons why you need to do that. One, this will give you a pause to think what to say next, and second, they already got the answer. They will not ask anymore. They got the answer. They might just walk away.
okay.
You know?
Second, now you are mid of something. You might be doing your work or talking to anyone, and then क्या सोच रहे हो?
Of course, I was thinking about what are you going to do next after I'm done with my work. I was just planning my day. What are you going to do next after this? So I was just thinking maybe I can make you a favorite coffee or whatever.
Is that
Yeah,
true? You have to give me true one.
it doesn't matter if it's true. It helps you save the day. But yeah. No, but on a serious note, I think you can, if there's a frankness between both partners, you can actually say what you're thinking, and you can just. The most safest answer is what you're gonna do next. Yeah, and yeah, or something which has happened very in the past, like maybe the birthday was a week ago, and then I was just still wondering that how can you look so cute even at this age? Like, I'm just amazed.
Oh, very smart, very smart.
Something to just. So, I mean, it's good to have something. So this is a tip of theater also. When there's an interference in the present moment, try to go either in future or past. It will help you because the present, in the present, you're blank. So how do you save yourself? Either you quickly go to the past, take something and give it back, and either you go to the future and come back. That's how when an actor gets stuck in his line. So that's the way to break the chain.
Okay, so this is bumper. This is coming for you. Okay, तुम किससे ज़्यादा प्यार करते हो? या तुम्हारी माँ से या मुझसे?
Oh yeah. So I mean, it's like choosing between my left hand and right hand. I mean, I can obviously I love both hands. Or choosing my left. So, yeah, do both of you are like my eyes. I can't
I think this is
choose
a
one.
genuine condition. What happens to the men when every time this question bumps?
You can't, or you can't just choose one because both women are equally important in your life, and yeah, it depends on how close you're married. If you're married recently, then perhaps you would choose the mom. If you're married over the 15, 20 years, 10 years, then perhaps you'll choose the wife because that's how your inclination will be.
Okay. अच्छा, शादी से पहले तुम्हारी कितनी गर्लफ्रेंड थी?
Just give them a number. They want a number. They're not in. They would expect and they'll calculate again. मेरे 15 थे इसके 7.5.
That's okay. Comparison.
They are just asking. They want that psychological safety. Okay, you need to be popular at the same time. You need to not be over popular.
Smart way.
No. But on a serious note, I think you can. Honesty is the best thing. Be honest, because sometimes if someone pops up in your life and then they are not aware that they were your exes, then that could lead to a lot of problems. So it's always good to be honest. Honesty is the best policy in this case. Yeah.
Okay, and the last one. Did I put on?
So the safest line I think I got somewhere was there's always more of you to be loved. That way you can say that's one line you can use, or you can always say yeah, maybe, but if you put on a smile, it will be balanced. Only thing is missing. So that way you can just say those things.
Wonderfully.
But this is again, in this case, you don't have to be honest. You have to be genuine. So there is two things: there's being authentic and being genuine. Being authentic is telling the truth no matter what. Being genuine is if the truth is going to hurt someone, you balance it off with a little bit of lie.
Okay, but then what is that? These are the common questions. I think जाने अनजाने में या ये question जिंदगी भर especially men से पूछे ही जाते हैं. So my question is, what they really have to say? What as you as a man wanted to give out the message. All this women who ask this repeatedly questions and speak up your mind. I mean, seriously, if you don't want these questions, say it. I don't want these questions. Whatever it is.
See, sometimes कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा आपको समय का, तब जाके ये ऑनेस्टी और जो बोलते हैं साइकोलॉजिकल सेफ्टी वाला कुशन वाला, जब हम वो जंप करेंगे और नीचे एक नेट होगा, तो that safety net will be created after investment of some time into the relationship. It can't happen overnight. Invest at least initial 2 years, 3 years, whatever time you think is good enough to invest. Then only you can have this safety zone where you can be yourself. Now, in any human being, and especially for men, the identity and reputation gap is too high because deep down they are insecure. Everyone is scared, but they have to put a brave face because they are the head of the family. The best example is the recent series Family Man, which shows how a man, despite of being a fighter and being a special agent, he still gets groceries at home quietly. How this duality, we all say in this duality of identity and reputation. And this gap between identity and reputation is the number one reason people go in depression or people have mental health issue. If the person is not allowed to be himself in the safe space of his own house, then where else he can be himself? In the washroom. Yeah, people are usually being themselves in the washroom more than in the entire house. So that's not. If you want a washroom, then make a huge washroom and try. Don't make a house. Yeah. So, or at least don't call it a house. Call it an emotional room where you can vent out your emotions. You can be yourself.
Very true.
So, if washroom is the only space where you can be yourself, then you have to ask yourself, what are you doing with your life? And you have to fill that gap between identity and reputation. If your reputation is far off, then you have to live and fight and struggle every day. And it is way far from your identity. If deep down you know that you are an introvert, but you fight it out every day, giving hardcore sales pitches and fighting, right? Then you have to ask yourself, and you can't get everything from one thing. So you can't associate your entire life with job. You can't associate your entire life with family. You have to balance it out. And that's the thing, because balancing out is the key. And if you see, most men are depressed, the first thing they do, पहला चीज वो करते हैं, वर्कोहॉलिक बन जाते हैं। वो 12-16 घंटा काम करने लगते हैं। जब भी डिप्रेशन आता है, they seek identity in job, they seek expression in job. Okay, घर में कभी भी कुछ इशू होता है, first thing a man would do, he will add on responsibility at home. और भी 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट ले लेंगे। अच्छा ठीक है, तू नहीं कर रहा, मैं कर।
And
Because they don't
I
want to
think
go.
along with that, alcoholic drug abuse, वो भी
Yes, that वो तो substance abuse तो आ ही जाता है, because that is the cool thing to do. The circle, which again the same circle of same friends. Well, when you might have developed a habit or a kind of a behavior when you were in control, but when depression hits you, this habit is not in control, and that leads to fatalities. So you kind of give away your control to your habit, then a habit controls you. It's the other way around. So that logical sense doesn't happen. Logically सोच नहीं पाता, फिर आपको लगता है कि हाँ बस उसी फेज में रहना चाहता हूँ। An extended denial, और जैसे फिल्म मेकिंग में बोलते हैं willing suspension of disbelief. तो आपकी पूरी लाइफ एक willing suspension हो जाती है, मतलब आप जानबूझ के खुद को मना करते हैं कि ये मेरी लाइफ नहीं है, जो मैं नशा करके या वो करके जब मेरी लाइफ हो गई है। That's willing suspension of disbelief. Needs to be tackled with a little bit of honesty.
A little bit of honesty and acceptance. There's a problem.
Yes.
And I need to work on it. Yeah.
देखो, acceptance again is जैसे कुछ लोग बोलते हैं acceptance बहुत जरूरी है, मैं कहूँगा acceptance से एक level आगे आइए और love के बारे में सोचो, क्योंकि broadly अगर आप sad हैं तो उसको tackle करने के लिए केवल love ही काम आएगा आपके पास। तो जब आपके पास आपकी लाइफ में love है, it also talks about self-love. So when you have self-love versus self-acceptance, जब आप self-acceptance की बात करो, you're still putting a scale, एक मीटर स्केल है आपके पास कि मैं ये करूंगा तभी मैं खुद को एक्सेप्ट करूंगा, अगर मैं सीनियर मैनेजर से जनरल मैनेजर बनूंगा तभी मैं खुद को एक्सेप्ट करूंगा, या मैं सीईओ बनूंगा तभी मैं खुद को एक्सेप्ट करूंगा। You are in future. Love is like, I am this, I have flaws, and let's start loving myself from today, and I'm okay with what I am. That's what needs to be done. And mental health men का यही है कि they are not taught, they're taught to be responsible, they're taught to take care of people, but they're not taught how to love their own selves. Most men don't know how to.
Yes, very true, very true. Yeah. And do not invest on self-care at all.
They don't. And you see my hair, I myself don't invest in self-care. So yeah, I mean, but yeah, I'm compensating with this. So I'm saying you have to figure out ways to compensate. If not here, then the hair should be here. Or if happiness is not coming from one area, try to figure out happiness within you. Happiness is not going to come from going to come from outside. कोई समोसे नहीं है जो 20 रुपए देके आप खा लो। It is a genuine emotion which can only be felt genuinely, and it is not everything. You have to feel all the emotions. Happiness को थोड़ा overrate करते हैं, and that's why when someone gets depressed, people say अरे stand up comedy देख। कैसे देखेगा यार, उसको नहीं समझ में आएगा at this point of time. And इसकी लाइफ में ट्रेजेडी चल रही है, तुम उनको कॉमेडी कैसे बताओ? It's not going to happen. So this contrast treatment is the number one flaw of our society. कि जैसे ही कोई गलत बोलता है, मतलब if there's someone dies or someone passes away in your family, first thing people will say कोई बात नहीं. अरे what is कोई बात नहीं यार, बहुत बड़ी बात है. If someone has passed away, it's a huge loss, it's a huge word. And then if you can't say it's okay, or you can't just say be strong, these are the most tough words you can most meaningless word you can say to someone who's actually sad. The best way to do is feel, because healing usually is assumed कि हाँ healing है मतलब जब चीजें positive होंगी तभी healing हो रहा है, नहीं. Healing का first step is feeling whatever is you're going through. You have to feel everything whatever you're going through, and be okay with it, because it is happening to everyone. It's not only happening to you, it's happening to everyone.
So when we actually do grief counseling or a trauma counseling, when you're going through trauma, the first thing we also say is that, accept your feeling and let it flow. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि ट्रॉमा इतने दिन में खत्म होगा, या ये मुझे इफ आई एम हैविंग जैसे सर्वाइवल गिल्ट, तो मुझे सर्वाइवल गिल्ट है, मैं कोरोना लाया था, मैं ही बच गया ना। सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स नॉट गोना डिसअपियर इन वीक्स और 2 months or 3 months. It gonna take your own time, and give it that time to process it. You have to give that time. But on a lighter note, coming back, what are the final tips you like to give it all men who are listening to us today?
सो फाइनल टिप्स यही कहूंगा कि थोड़ी एक्टिंग सीख लो कि थोड़ी एक्टिंग करना हमेशा फायदेमंद रहता है, तो उसके लिए एक वर्कशॉप है मैं करूंगा, तो ज्वाइन करो मेरे वर्कशॉप्स को, मेरे को फॉलो करो तो थोड़ी एक्टिंग हमको जरूर आनी चाहिए, थोड़ी एक्टिंग खुद को बेवकूफ बनाने के लिए भी समटाइम्स वी टेक आवरसेल्व्स वेरी सीरियस, ठीक है, खुद को इतना सीरियसली नहीं लेना चाहिए। एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर जस्ट वन मोर ह्यूमन बीइंग in the entire universe, and this is not even your house, it is your entire universe, yeah? And we have to take ourselves a little lightly. We can make mistakes, allow yourselves to make mistakes, don't, काफी बार क्या होता है कि men punish themselves more, and it's a cool thing to do, even in movies it's kind of highlighted. Well, men are punishing their own self, they have a way of punishing themselves. Okay. Some might go into substance abuse, drug abuse. Some might go into beating their own self. Some might go into there are many powerful heroes shown कि जब उनको गुस्सा आता है या दर्द होता है तो बॉक्सिंग करने जाते हैं, फाइटिंग करने जाते हैं, you know, this is the way they went. The best way to do it is talk it out, write it down on your, आजकल तो इतने सारे वॉल्स हैं, फेसबुक वॉल, इंस्टा वॉल, ये वॉल, वो वॉल, लिख दो, कहीं पे भी लिख दो, make it private. If you don't want to share it with public, just write it down and make it private, keep it to yourself. But write it down, my friend, because if you're not going to express that right now, it will come out as heart attack, it will come out as diabetes, it will come out as any neck or shoulder or spondylitis, it might come out as knee pain, so idea is, though we live in a psychosomatic world, your psychology affects your physical health.
Absolutely.
And it is not indispensable. तुमको लगता है कि तुम सोचोगे नहीं या बोलोगे नहीं तो किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा, बट बॉडी को पता चलता है, बॉडी इज विद यू, बॉडी इज विद यू. सो आई एम सेइंग बेस्ट वे इज एट लीस्ट ट्राई टू बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ. That's the beginning, and have a circle of people who with whom you can talk anything and everything. So we promote listening circle where we promote neutral listening without giving any suggestion. जैसे ही कोई सुनता है ना, सबसे पहले इंस्टिंक्ट आता है सजेशन दे दो. कोई सजेशन तो फ्री में देना है, हम तो अफेक्ट नहीं होने वाले इससे, तो पीपल गिव एडवाइस. तो ये जो फ्री एडवाइसेस हैं उनको पहले पकड़ के गोली मारो. तो ये फ्री एडवाइसेस की दे तो और सुनो मत. सो आई थिंक द लिसनिंग सर्कल इज द टाइप थिंग, कल्चर ऑफ लिसनिंग शुड बी प्रमोटेड. नाउ आप लिसनिंग इमोशनल लेवल पे कीजिए और लिसनिंग फ्यूचरिस्टिक लेवल पे कीजिए. लिसनिंग इमोशनल लेवल में खुद के इमोशंस को समझिए, सुनिए. फ्यूचरिस्टिक लेवल मतलब मैं अपने फ्यूचर सेल्फ को सुनूंगा और खुद को चेंज करूंगा आज, तब जाके मैं फ्यूचर पे सेल्फ बनूंगा. अगर मुझे जाना है मेरे उस वर्जन पे जहाँ पे मुझे वो चीज को देख के वापस गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए, जिसको देख के मैं एकदम आग बबूला हो जाता, तो उसके लिए मुझे प्रैक्टिस आज से करनी पड़ेगी. और हो सकता है 2 साल 3 साल में मैं उस पर देख के गुस्सा ना हो या मुझे वो फील ना. It is all about practice. It is about how you take yourself, how you see yourself. और खुद को आईने में देखने से पहले खुद को अपनी नजरों में देखिए. तो आप जब खुद को प्यार करना शुरू करेंगे तब धीरे धीरे चीजें सही होने लगेंगी. I'm telling from my own experience. I was close to 13 kgs more heavy than what I am today, and I've lost it in the span of a year or something. But that change, it helped me a lot to see take myself more seriously. In terms of physical health, I was good at mental health, but physical health now I'm balanced. Time to balance it out. Okay. So it's always good to, and that can only happen if you have a strong mind. Because you can easily give up. कोई भी चीज काफी बार लगता है कि यार मैं ये एक ऐसा कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि if you want to start reading, read 10 pages every day. But people don't understand the importance of reading 10 pages every day. By the end of a year, you will have read close to 3,650 pages. That is as good as say 6-7 books.
6-7.
Yeah. So which are good. I'm full length book कर रहा हूँ, average 500-600 पेज book. तो आप हर दिन 10 पेज पढ़ोगे तो साल में आप 4 या 5 अच्छी किताबें तो पढ़ ही सकते हो. तो उससे आपका बहुत फायदा हो.
अच्छा.
I'm saying it is just giving yourself that 10-15 minutes every day consistently, और वहीं से change शुरू होगा.
I think, thank you, Yogesh. I mean, that's a very strong tips and very useful. I think they can definitely apply it. But from my, it's like me time. जैसे हमारा me time होता है, खुद का भी me time रखो. No one stop you. I'm having that me time.
Oh, me time if you smoke मत करो मतलब.
Me time does not mean that Netflix or Amazon. Me time is definitely not means substance abuse. Me time is something that you really like. And this is applicable for all men ho, women ho. We actually forgot what is our real passion and hobby. So why don't we, go back and enjoy the simple things? इसी के साथ I think we wrap up our session.